watching NBC 26 News at 5.
And now your weather with Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Well, earlier today we had our coldest temperatures of the entire winter. Leona got down to 32 below zero, Anago 30 below. A little bit closer to home, we had teens and 20s below zero just about everywhere else, including a reading of 21 below zero in Fond du Lac. But warmer weather is moving in tonight. Temperatures by tomorrow morning in some cases could be running 30 to 50 degrees warmer than what we saw this morning. We'll see afternoon highs in the upper 20s. That's ahead of a cold front. Behind that cold front, it'll turn much cooler once again for Friday and Saturday. But then another more significant warm up is going to move in as we wrap up January and make our way into February. Right now, we are looking at temperatures that are in the single digits to around 10 degrees. But those temperatures will be going up as we head through the evening. In Green Bay, after mostly sunny skies, it is now mostly cloudy. The temperature is 6 with south winds at around 15 miles per hour. In Appleton, it is 3 with southerly winds close to 20 miles per hour. But when you combine that southerly wind with the cold temperatures, it does feel colder out there. Wind chills right now still in the teens to around 20 below. But once again, as we progress through the next 3 to 6 hours, that temperature will be climbing. The satellite shows lots of sunshine earlier today, but now the clouds are rolling in ahead of our next weather maker. We have a warm front moving through later on tonight, and then a cold front will make its way in from the north tomorrow. On the other side of that warm front this afternoon, a huge warm up. Temperatures running 25 to 35 degrees warmer, 6 degrees for an afternoon high here in the Fox Valley, but off to our west and southwest, we had 20s, 30s, and even some 40s, and that warmer weather will overspread Wisconsin tomorrow. We're not going to see 40s here in the state of Wisconsin, but there will be some 30s. I think most of us will probably see mid to upper 20s tomorrow with mostly cloudy skies and some gusty winds. As that front moves through tomorrow, we'll have a couple of chances for a snow shower or a flurry. Not that big of a deal. And then behind the cold front tomorrow evening, we'll start to clear out as high pressure builds in, and that means lots of sunshine returning for Friday. So tonight, look for mostly cloudy skies. It'll be windy and much warmer. Temperatures right now are the lows for tonight. They're going to be going up probably 13, 14, 15 by the time we get to midnight, and then they'll keep climbing from there on out. Tomorrow, we'll see temperatures mainly in the mid to upper 20s, but there will be that range. A little colder across the north, a little warmer across the south and east. We'll have lots of clouds with maybe a snow shower or a flurry. Mostly sunny skies on Friday, 14 for a high after sub-zero lows around 2 or 3 below zero. Back down to around 10 below. Saturday morning, we'll see sun and clouds, maybe a snow shower or a flurry Saturday night, and then we'll start to warm up. 25 on Sunday, 30 for the final day of January, and then even warmer weather for Tuesday and Wednesday. Of course, Wednesday is Groundhog Day. We'll have a chance for a wintry mix or some snow, and we're watching the potential for maybe a bigger system impacting our weather during the middle and end of next week. Nina?
How is Groundhog Day almost here? It's coming up fast. Cameron, thank you. When we return, the salt